I finished drinking, folded this thing flat, and put it in my pocket. That's when I realized I'm never carrying one of these again. This collapsible bottle solves that specific problem in a way I didn't fully appreciate until I was actually using it out in the real world. It's got silicone construction, is soft and flexible, doesn't feel flimsy. There's real quality to it that you notice the first time you hold it. Fully expanded. It's BPA free. You're not dealing with any of the chemical concerns that come with lower quality plastics, and the silicone doesn't transfer any taste to the water, which is something cheaper collapsible bottles sometimes get wrong. So this thing has gone everywhere with me. I went to the gym, filled it up, drank it, collapsed it, drop it in my gym bag pocket, and it takes up practically nothing. Hiking, clip it to the outside of the bag, full, drink as I go. Travel wise, this is where it shines the most. You know that thing where you get through airport security and then you're paying $5 for a bottle of water on the other side because you couldn't bring one through? Well, fill this up at the water fountain after the security and you're good. And when you land, you're moving through the airport. You're not lugging around an empty bottle. You fold it and it disappears into your pocket. And the pocket thing is the part I keep coming back to because it changes how you think about carrying water. I've had it in my back pocket after finishing it and forgot it was there. The leak-proof seal is tight. Cap stays on through being tossed around in a bag. The last thing you want when a bottle is in your bag or pocket is to reach in and find everything soaked, right? 17 ounces is a solid size, enough for a lot of water without being so large that it loses the point of being collapsible. You can refill it throughout the day at any fountain or tap and collapse it between fills. That flexibility is what makes it different from just buying a small regular bottle. So who's it for? Well, anyone who travels, hikes, goes to the gym, goes to events, or just hates managing a bulky empty bottle for the rest of the day after they drink it. This is the water bottle you bring when you need water on the go, but don't want to deal with carrying a bottle when you're done. Finish it, fold it, pocket it, keep it moving. That's the whole pitch, and it delivers on it completely. If you want to get your hands on this product, go ahead and click on the link in the description below. And hit that subscribe button and never miss a review. If you want to see more products like this, click this video right here. I think you'll like it.